Hi, you're watching Tech2 Auto channel. I'll be telling you how to make mask at home. This is mask from the market. We'll be preparing similar mask. First, you need a handkerchief and 2 rubber bands. I'm using this rubber bands. You can use this as well or anyone available at your home. So go ask your ladies. Now, spread the handkerchief on a floor like this. Start folding it neatly. Slowly. Now, pick 2 rubber bands. Put each band at each corners. Like this. Other band at other corner. Next, turn it. Pull in the 2 corners towards each other. Put one corner into the another. Be cautious while doing it. Now turn it. See how beautiful your mask is ready. With no stitching in less than a minute. Even a man can make it. Now let's compare it with the mask from the market. You know the best part for this mask, homemade mask, it's easily washable, it's easy to make and very cheap. Thank you for watching this. Do subscribe for more videos at Tech2 Auto. Do check our websites tech2auto.in and subscribe us on Facebook.